Porton Biopharma, created in 2015, a spin-out of Public Health England. So I've recognised when I created Porton Biopharma that great scientists don't necessarily make good managers, and therefore it was important to give them the development that they need in order to become good managers. Well, we started this programme a few years ago, and the feedback has been tremendous. It's met the objectives that we set, and therefore it's really important for me now that we roll this out to as many staff at Porton Biopharma as possible. Not only staff who are current managers, but of course staff who will be managers in the future. We will benefit from such a programme, and we're seeing the benefits of it all the time.
The partnership between USW and Porton Biopharma started 5 years ago, and through that we co-created a programme that we're tackling the key areas that Porton Biopharma has seen as their priorities. I think it's widely agreed that leaders set the tone in the work environment, and how leaders treat and inspire their people has a massive impact on the performance of an organisation. And what Porton Biopharma have done is recognise that, and they have made leadership development a priority. Over the medium to long term, what we are starting to see is some of the people who are developing themselves through this programme are challenging upwards, and that's creating an energy to think differently about things. And I think over the medium to long term, the organisation can only get stronger because they are challenging each other to become better.
We do believe that we as an organisation have to be strategic when we think about developing our future managers and leaders. University of South Wales has offered us an unique opportunity for practical learning and development. In my opinion, through a practical and innovative approach, managers are gaining the confidence to motivate teams, influence stakeholders, and facing the leadership challenges of the future.
I've been a manager for 4 or 5 years, something like that now. I think what the programme's given me is like a framework really of theory, talking to others in similar situations to me, getting a different viewpoint maybe on management. And it's really kind of helped me sort of reflect on how I am with others and how I am with my team, and helped me kind of grow as a manager, I'd like to think. We've all had the opportunity to talk open and honestly about how things are, both good and bad, share good practice, share things that we've tried that worked or not worked, and kind of learn from each other. That's been the lasting benefit. We're talking about kind of like legacy and meeting up afterwards and all that kind of good stuff. So hopefully it's something that's not just a course, it's a bit more long lasting than that.
I'm always striving to want to be a better manager. I think I've noticed more and more as I've gone through the course. All the people in my team have come with some sort of degree. They are intelligent people that are very, very capable, but I don't feel that perhaps we're pushing them enough for them to reach their potential. And so that is really something that I think has been the biggest learning for me. All of us as a group, we've gelled really well, and it's been great working with people from other departments because it's allowed us to sort of exchange and see their perspective on things as well. So it's been really good from that angle. Lots of people have been put onto the course. They're getting benefits from it. We're implementing those sort of new thoughts and ideas and trying to get the business to change, I think is probably the biggest impact.